comes to the scope, right? So if I talk about India, we have not only the big four, KPMG, Deloitte, PwC, EY, but we have Grant Thornton and BDO, the 6 biggest multinationals which hire finance and accounting professionals. All of them in India are hiring ACCAs. All of them are hiring ACCAs at the same level as that of a CA, just like what happened to me back in the day with PwC. All of these companies are working with us, working with so many other ACCA members, and now the explosion of hiring ACCA has just shot up. Willing to hire ACCAs not only at the qualified level, but even during their CA articleship equivalent. So, which is in ACCA we call it the PER, practical experience requirement, which you can, I'll explain you what that is at the end. But basically, it means that even when you're studying for ACCA, you have zero work experience before that. These big companies are hiring you because of your ACCA, and many of them are giving you exam leaves, etc., etc. A lot of other multinationals. There are some companies like ACES and Tres Vista. These companies you may not have heard about, but are very well-paying companies, hiring people, ACCA freshers at 10 lakhs plus as their starting salary. So it's insane how well these kind of companies are paying because of these qualifications. Then you go into Indian companies, that you go to Motilal Oswal, go to Anand Rathi, go to Kotak Mahindra, go to so many of these Indian companies that are also hiring ACCAs now. So when you think about the kind of opportunities you have in companies, it's immense to start off your career. Over and above that, we have so many students now who have eventually over time started their own companies. One of my students, Rashesh, started a AI-based company, even though he's an ACCA, because he understood how business works. They started an AI company. Another student of mine, Neil is extremely smart. He did ACCA, but he also did CFA. He also went to Deloitte. So, a lot of credit to him. But he started an investment banking firm where I think he's raking in some immense amount of wealth, all due to, of course, his effort. But luckily, these kind of qualifications are the starting aspect of his career. And like I said, we have students. There's this girl called Mansi. I made an entire video on her. She got hired for 10 lakhs at ACES with zero work experience and not even completed all her 13 papers of ACCA. In 12 papers or 10 papers or something, she got an opportunity. Now she'll clear the other 3 papers and keep building her career.